Now I am going to start practical session of HTML. For the purpose, first I am going to create basic structure of HTML. So in basic structure we start with HTML, then head, then title comes, we give it a title, my first page, title close, then head close, head section finish, then we start with body. This is going to be my first web page in HTML. Body close, HTML close. Now save it as HTML. Give it a name, my page, suppose .htm. We can give HTML also or HTML also, both are valid format. Now save. Now this is the saved file. Open it with Explorer and see the effect. Here it is. This is going to be my first web page in HTML. Right. Now if I want to change the color of this whole sentence into red, then I need to write. I have to use font tag with font, write color. As I told you before that I always pronounce it color instead of color. So it remind me about that how to write the spelling color instead of color. Font color is equal to within double quote red. This is good habit to use a double quote always whenever we are writing value of the attributes of any main tag. So font color is equal to red, and we will end it with font again. That's it, right? Now again Ctrl S for save, Alt tab, and then F5. See, this is going to be my first web page in HTML. Now I want to change this HTML color from red to green. Then what the code will be? Just come before HTML. You already used font tag. Again use one more font tag for HTML, specifically font color is equal to green. Close the angular bracket, and after HTML again put one more closing tag of font. Save, Alt tab, press F5. See, HTML in green color. Now I want to give underline to this HTML. Then you know about, in theory you studied about that underline, bold, TT, all these are physical text style. So put one more tag along with the font, and that is U, only U before HTML, and here also U end. See the effect. HTML. Correct. So this is how we can create. Now I want to break the line. This is going to be from B. After B I am going to break the line. So come here, where is B written? Here B, and then after B write BR tag. We need to specify that from here onward change the line, save it and see it by pressing F5. See, this is going to be in the next line my first web page in HTML. Now I want to put one line above this sentence. This is going to be above of this. I want one line to appear, and below also one line to appear. Then the code will be just after body, write HR, and after this next line before body again one HR. HR is an empty element, so it will give you one horizontal line. See, this is going to be this HR. As I told you before, that it gives you shading also by default in a line. When it will create line, then it will give one shading also, default shade will appear. So here that shade you can be able to see this one. This is one shade. Here it is shade. If you don't want this shade, just use with HR attribute no shade, and this attribute contains no value. So top HR, there will be no shade. On top horizontal row C, no shade. So this is how we create the simple HTML document. Now we talk about a list, how to create a list. So for a list, as we have seen, for list there are three types of list: OL, UL and DL. So for creating ordered list, write OL first, then better I will tell you in a new file. Now see, OL, then LI, then again LI, then OL, close. Right, this is the syntax of ordered list. What about UL? So UL, if you will write, so UL again LI, LI, and then UL, close. Now save it. List.html, lists.html, save. Open with Explorer. See here what is happening. First we created OL, ordered list. As you all know that ordered list, the default list is number, Arabic number. So here it is now produced Arabic number 1 and 2 with dot symbol, right, which I told you before also. Okay, 1 and dot it will take by itself from LI only. So here it is written only LI, not the contents, only LI. This LI only generating the number 1 and 2, and here this is unordered list. See here, unordered list. So better to write, to understand, order list right? And here write unordered list. Unordered list. Save and see the preview. Here it is. See, ordered list and unordered. 1, 2. It is taken because of li, and in unorder it is not showing 1, 2. Instead it is showing you disk type of bullet. This one is unordered list. So this what appears with li only. So that is, it is must to include li with ordered list and unordered list first. So must include li, and then you need to write content. Write contents after this li only. So now write the content after li. Order list li LHS NDA DPS KBS, save and see. So this is order and unorder list. Now if I want to change the appearance of the default list, so now we have not included any attributes, not used any attributes. Now I want to change the number from 1, Arabic 1 to Roman 1. Then in such case I need to use type attribute. So first we will see order list. I want to change from number. I want to change it. See, I want to change 1 to from 1 to Roman 1 to. So just you need to put after OL, write down type attribute typ type is equal to, within double quote write down Roman, so small I if you want, in Roman small letter. Just this one only you need to write, and just see its preview. See order list 1 and 2, it's changed from 1 to Arabic to Roman letter small. Now I want to make it capital, then just here change it and write capital I. Initial letter only we need to write. Always keep this, always remember this, that you need to include only initial letter, not letter. 1 2, that's it. Now I want to start it from ABCD, then just make the notes of it also, right? What are the different value of type attribute in OL list? As far as OL list is concerned, must make the notes of it in your rough copy first, and then make it fair. Now small a, so see what will happen then. It starts from small a, and now if you will change it to capital A, then I've not saved it. It will appear in capital only. AB order list AB capital. Right? No more confusion. I think so. Okay. Now start. We will change it. We will start it instead of from A initial letter A B C D or 1 2 3 4 1 to some other number. Now suppose first it was number. So again I'm deleting it. 1 2. Now I want to start it from 5 only. 5 6 7 8, it will goes from 5 onward. So what to do? Just put OL. No need to write type now, because default value of the number is Arabic number 1 2 3 4, and only that Arabic number I want to start with 5. From 5 I want to start with, so no need to write type. One more attribute is start. I want to start it from 5 only. So write 5, save it, and see 5 6 5 6 7 8, it will goes on. If you will include any li afterwards, Then see what will happen. It will take 5, 6 minutes. See. Now, if I want to start it with Roman letter 5, then in such case I need to put type first. Type is equal to small I and start 5. See, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I want to start it from I want to change it from ABCD and want to start from not A but from E or F, then start A, type A, start 5. It will start from E. C, E, F. If you want to start from 26, sorry, not 26, Z, right? So see what will happen. A and put here 26 and see what it will give the output. Z. Then it starts A, AB, AC, like what happened in Excel sheet. After Z, what comes? Double A comes, then A first initial A letter and B comes, AC comes, AD comes, likewise. Then AZ, then again B, A will come, then BB, like that. So that same thing happened here also. So this is how you can do the practice of the code. Now, second was UL list, unordered list. So with OL, two attributes only we use, type and this type and start. Now as far as UL is concerned, so in UL only one attribute become type is equal to bullet type of. So here what it is giving the output, disk type of bullet it is giving you output. Now if I want to change from this to circle or a square, just I need to put one more attribute, that is type attribute, UL type is equal to, and then we need to write, if I want to change it circle to circle, double quote close, control S for save, and then C circle, here it is coming circle, right? If I want to change from circle to square, then write square, 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 save, and then C. This is coming, square type of bullets is coming, right? So the question may comes, right, to manipulate the code, to change the color of the DPS KVS red from black to red. So what you will do if you need to change the color of the contents, then just put font over here or before li, right? Suppose here I am changing from font is equal to color red, right, and close the font, and here again close it with font tag again, and li may just give font color is equal to green, close, and after KVS again close it with font tag. That's it. Save and see the preview. See, KVS is green and DPS is black only coming, but red it should come. Font red, somewhere I missed something. Font, see here, is equal to color. There was fault in my code. Font color is equal to red. Control S, and now check. See, so DPS is appearing in red color and KVS is appearing in green color. What about this bullet? As we have put before that bullet li, Before li we put font color. So why li is not changing its color means why that bullet is not changing the color, because that bullet is part of an ordered list. So for if you want to change the color of the bullet, then you need to put font where in unordered list. Before usual you need to change the font color. Font color is equal to yellow. And here close it with font tag. Now see this. Right, so this is how we can manipulate the code, change the color of the font, change the appearance of the contents like this only. So that's only for today lesson. Hope you will do practical of HTML code, and all these comes in your board, in your internal test as well as online test. So prepare yourself practically also and theoretically also, just go through the contents. Thank you and have a great day ahead.